Did you know that you could add an icon to your home screen of your iPhone or iPad to make it that much easier to manage your account at North Shore Pellissippi Storage? The first thing you want to do is open Safari and navigate to our website at npstorage.com. Then you're going to click the little share button, the box with the arrow in it. Scroll to the bottom of the list and there's an option that says Add to Home Screen. So click that. Then type a name for your shortcut. And the name I'm typing is North Shore Pellissippi Storage. And click Add. And voila! Now you have a shortcut right on the home screen of your iOS device to make it easier to pay your bill, change your address, rent a new unit, or otherwise manage your account.